Amazing facts about parrots. Parrots are some of the most colorful and intelligent birds in the world. From mimicking human speech to their incredible flying abilities, let's dive into 8 amazing facts about these feathered wonders. Fact 1. The masters of mimicry. Parrots are famous for their ability to mimic human speech, but did you know they can imitate sounds from their environment too? From doorbells to microwaves, parrots can mimic almost anything they hear. Fact 2. Long lifespan. Parrots live a long life compared to other birds. Depending on the species, some parrots can live up to 60 to 80 years or more. The oldest parrot on record, a macaw, lived to be 112. Fact 3. Highly intelligent. Parrots are incredibly intelligent. They're not just talking machines, they can solve puzzles, use tools, and even understand concepts like shapes, colors, and numbers. Fact 4. Complex communication. Parrots have complex social structures and communicate with each other in the wild using calls, body language, and even touch. They are known to use their beaks to groom each other and show affection. Fact 5. Colorful feathers. Parrots' vibrant feathers aren't just for looks. Their colors help with identification and are often used in courtship displays to attract mates. Fact 6. Amazing flyers. Parrots are incredibly skilled flyers. Their strong wings and agile bodies help them maneuver through the trees, and some species can even fly long distances. Fact 7. Unique feet. Parrots have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backward. This helps them grasp objects and climb like pros. Fact 8. Parrots can be lifelong friends. Parrots are highly social creatures and form strong bonds with their owners or flock mates. In some species, they mate for life, staying with the same partner forever. From their ability to mimic sounds to their amazing intelligence, parrots are truly incredible creatures. If you love these colorful birds, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun animal facts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing facts about the animal kingdom.